Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move half Manhattan touch steps. So it's basically touch steps in a half Manhattan. Knowing how to do a first move half Manhattan would be really helpful. Knowing how to do one of the simpler moves with touch steps would be helpful, so I'll put links to those in the description below so it's nice and easy and quick for you to find them and go back and review them if you need to. But jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's break it down. That starts off like a standard first move, half Manhattan. So we go back, left to right, we come in, picking up the shoulder blade rather than the hip, lady connects up. As we twist the lady out so she goes back with her right, the guy turns towards, the lady goes forwards with his left. And then instead of just taking a normal Manhattan of going backwards and forwards, we add a touch step in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to touch out to the guy's left, bring the lady with us to go touch, and then we go to the Manhattan position. And then we go back to touch, and the other end of the Manhattan position. We repeat that. Touch, step, touch, step. How many you do is up to you. We're just going to go backwards and forwards twice. And then as we bring the lady forwards, we get out of the way. So we undo the twist from earlier on, prepping the lady for a turn, send her back out into a turn, face, return, and back. Leading the touch steps. Basically what you're doing is you're leading a step, but instead of doing the transition of weight, you hold the transition of weight off, and then you lead the step to go somewhere else. So it's like you're leading a step and then never committing to it. Okay, so we'll do it from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, touch 4, step 5, touch 6, step 7, touch 8, step 1, touch 2, step 3, out of the way 4, turn 5, face 6, returning 7, and back 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. Man's left, lady's right, and 5, 6, half Manhattan, touch steps. We go a back, in, forwards, touch, back, touch, forwards, touch, back, touch, forwards, prep, turn, and face, return, and back. And obviously when I was saying forwards and back, I was referring to the leader. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move in the channel, so thank you to people who do that. Subscribing promotes the channel even more, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And notifications, if you've got them turned on, the little bell will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, as always, something nice for you to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.